Okay. You can get up on the dashboard. Here's a boy. Oi. Come on. That's some feather dust. Don't be fucking with that. That's how I keep the truck clean. Hey, here's our good boy. Hey. Velcro, come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. The fuck are you eating? You like blacktop? Really? Come on. There you go. Oh, you're big and bad now. You're fucking in a Kenworth. Oh, I love you too, mate. I love you too. You're a good little fucking boy, aren't you? Eh? You're fucking... Oh, slam you down here. Just be fucking gentle. Get all big and bad on me that you've been in the fucking Kenworth, really? Wait. Oh, yeah, you want to do this shit? You want to do this? That's awesome. Come on, Velcro. Alright, see you later, folks. Velcro's getting excited. We have to play. Bye.